we're sitting out, hanging out, doing nothing, which is actually pretty stressful when you're scared of everything. Much better when things are programmed and laid out to a tight schedule. But this is kind of scary. But we're just hanging out here, seeing stuff. Oh my gosh, stuff, scary stuff. There's a bed there if she wants it, but it's pretty scary at the moment. But I've got her special harness and 2 leashes, and we're gonna sit here and practice chilling. Chilling is an art, of course, especially for scared dogs. You want a pat? Whoops. You want a pat? You good girl? You good girl. And there's your friend. Whoop. Vinny taught Tova to respect little dogs, and she does. She says they might be small, but they can get you, and I'm not going to try anything funny. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Just hanging out.